Trading doesn't have to be difficult or time consuming. In fact, you can make a great return from trading set and forget strategies from little as 10 minutes a day. That's the way of the lazy trader. See for yourself now in this example of how easy and effortless trading can be. That's lazy trading.
So this is a bullish pin bar reversal opportunity we have on the pound yen cross pair, also known as the twisted sister. And I know that it looks pretty obvious that we're in a downward trend here, making these lower highs and lower lows, which is, well, essentially definitive of a downward trend. However, what is interesting to see is that in January 2012, we actually made a higher low here. Albeit a very subtle one, and it's broken this neckline here of this W-shaped formation, which is essentially quite a significant event. And when we've got a bullish pin bar reversal, which is our price action signal, rejecting the neckline of this W-shaped formation slash bullish reversal pattern, then we know full well that this could potentially spell a bullish opportunity in terms of a continuation here. So we've got a bullish pin bar reversal with divergence here on the RSI supporting this. We're rejecting a horizontal level, 12780. Let's have a look here to see if there's anything else on our side here. If we've got the more things in favor of our trade, the better it is. So let's get the Fibonacci retracement out from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high, and we can see that the 0.382 overlaps perfectly with the level which the bullish pin bar reversal is intersecting with, which is a correlation. So the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement is a shallow retracement, and if we've got a bullish pin bar reversal off that and a shallow retracement, then we can reasonably say that there's going to be quite an aggressive move upwards. So what we did, we had one other confirmation to tell us that we can take an aggressive entry on this bullish pin bar reversal. Our classic entry would simply be at the break of the high, our entry to go long with our stop loss below the low, minus spread minus a pip. However, we had an extra signal which told us that we could place our entry halfway down the bar with our stop loss below the low, essentially doubling our reward to risk. So instead of 151 pips difference between our entry and our stop loss, we could halve that and have 66. So we've essentially doubled our reward to risk. So we placed our order halfway down the bar with our stop loss below the low, and we're triggered into the trade, and we trailed for every second buy bar thereafter when we were in the trade. So we trailed it here on the 18th of April. We had another buy bar and buy bar number 2, so we trailed it again below the low of the 20th of April 2012, and then we got stopped out at a healthy profit. We made 7.7% on this one overall, and our target was 130.025. We wanted just to take profit in advance of the previous swing high here for a high probability lower reward outcome, as it was a continuation trade. We'd far rather have this higher probability outcome and accept a lower reward rather than simply trying to pick a new high, which would quite frankly have a lower probability outcome. However, if you did stay in it and it did hit that new high, then you would be rewarded in due course. However, there is a trade-off. What would you rather go for? Would you rather go for high probability, lower reward, or low probability, high reward? The decision is yours. However, you notice with our style of managing the trade that we trailed for every 2 buy bars, or behind the low of every 2 buy bars on the daily time frame, in order to give our trade enough room to breathe without micromanaging our trade to the point where we're stopped out at a small gain or small loss before it really does go in our direction. And there's nothing more frustrating than if that happens. So just to recap, we entered this trade on the 16th of April at 127.72 with our stop loss at 127.06. Our target was 130.25, and we hit target, trailing for every 2 buy bars, making 7.7% on our accounts. And so too did our clients.
What do you think of that? Trading does not have to be difficult or time consuming. In fact, all you need to become a profitable lazy trader is a single strategy which you can trade for only minutes a day. Visit thelazytrader.com and download for free 5 rapid ways to become highly profitable at Forex trading and your trade secret video pack so that you can copy the winning elite and rapidly accelerate your long-term success in financial markets trading. Trade profitably from as little as minutes a day and beat the banks and brokers at their own game. This is available for a limited time, so download it today. www.thelazytrader.com. It's free, fun, and most importantly, it will help you. Visit thelazytrader.com.